Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, and today I'm introducing you to a site called Develop Online Courses for Free, where everything is free and where you get a chance to practice your Moodle skills, whether as a beginner or as an advanced Moodler. There are two courses that are available for you to try out. One is just to practice creating activities and resources, and one developing a whole course from beginning to end using Moodle skills as well as AI tools. So you'll be learning both how to use AI tools to generate activities and resources, of course, and how to use Moodle for courses. So here we go. This is what you're going to do on this site. You're going to ask for a course, request a course, because that's how you're going to try these activities and resources and AI tools out. What you're going to do is you're going to go into the login, hit that, choose a way of logging in if you don't have an account. And this is how you log in each time, either with Google. You hit the Google button there, Microsoft, Facebook, Yahoo, or if you have an organization, Microsoft account, you can use this one. But if it doesn't work, try Microsoft, the regular one. So let me log in. And this is what it will look like when you are logged in. You're going to go to My Courses. Now, you don't have courses, I know, or maybe you do, but if you don't worry, because what you see here is request a course, and you're going to hit that button and fill in the information. So course full name, think of a course full name. You can always change it later on, but make sure that it sounds reasonable, because I'm going to approve these. So it has to look pretty good. And then short course name. If you're not sure of any of these, notice the question mark. You just hit that and you'll get an explanation. And then a summary of the course, no more than 50 words, please. We don't want it too long. And then this is super important, your reasons for wanting this course. This is what I will look at. Now, there are a lot of participants in the course, and there are two courses actually. Let me give you the two names of the courses. The courses are on integrating technology. They take place every May. And the first one is called Develop Activities and Resources with AI. They're both free. And the second one is called Develop a Moodle Course Using AI. And you'll be practicing here. So add the name of the course and say that you're taking that course. And you'll also get a code. So make sure that you add that code and then click on Request a Course. And that's it. You'll have your own course and you'll be the teacher of the course. So you have full rights to manage your course. Isn't that exciting? So for questions and comments, feel free to use the comment box below, and enjoy Moodling and AI, of course.